How go on? How not go on with? So, here to be the bearer of bad news. Um, the channel, the movie channel, for some reason, is not available on the internet. Like, we don't really know what going on. We have a suspicion them, we have contact YouTube, we have talk them. All that happen, you understand me? But what we need you guys to do is to help bring up back the thing, help make it go back to where it was. Because you know you can create a next channel and do all that. So that is what is happening right now. So bro, a new channel I know. Or well the same channel.
Well, but they are wait for on YouTube to actually give you a response in terms of if we can recover and get back with the channel. But we're not really sit down and wait. If it come back, if it come back, it come back. But if not, we will create a new channel, Richard Brown Films, just the same, and we will start upload content right away to it. So we not hesitate. So Akim will provide the link to the channel in the description so we can go over and start support the channel right now, because we not waste on time, we not make nothing get we down, we just continue to put in the work, because we realize that anything we're great, it will take a little challenge and it will take problems to really become what it's supposed to be. So we know say it not go easy, so we not really make that bother me. It bother me nonetheless, even though I say me not make it bother me, but we just continue to press on with even more vigor, you know what I say? Yeah.
Alright, so yeah guys, you hear that, and maybe just unite and make the thing get back up to where it was. I'm going to put a link in the description to the new channel, and as you hear Mr. Brown say your content I go over there, so just share the channel, you understand me, just share it, yo, just make the thing get back to where it was. So Richard Brown Films are the name of the channel, just share it people, just share it. As I say, we don't know what really are going on, but a minor setback, all in all is a minor setback. We still have the talent, we still have the great curious around us with the stories, we still have the amazing actors and actresses, everything is here. It's just some monster at work, but as I say, minor setback. Link in the description to the channel. Don't know enough to do. Share it, subscribe, big up on yourself. We chat soon.
You still have to tell them, because automatically this now can't be now. Because the name of the channel is just the URL. When I create the URL, you have to get a specific name. So if that channel come back, this one I know we can add something else to the URL. So that means it will pop up different same way. Yeah, right. Richard Brown 1R or whatever, yeah. But for now, we can't add no URL to it yet until you get started on subscribe and watch time.
Yeah.
Well, this one will be the easiest thing, but we can't wait.
So put up it then and take move and throw up on it then.
And that may do. Yeah. We are waiting.
Simple mathematics.
Alright, so all I'm moving them up on the channel, alright?
Yeah, we'll see if we can upload at least most of them, because we have most of the all of the full length ones them. The short ones them have to dig up the place to them, because them did never even do last year, them did do it year before 2019, so we have to dig them up. And it just goes to show you that you have people who love what we are doing, and you have people out there who hate what we are doing.
You really hate
yes, this is evident. We're not oblivious to the fact that you
I don't know what it means. It just means you do something right.
Yeah.
You don't get no fight, it don't make no sense. And
right.
a serious fighter show you the influence of what the thing have, isn't it?
Yeah man, but we not worry ourselves still now. I God we say no.
Minor setback.
Yeah man.
Minor setback.
Yeah man, we not worry ourselves man, I God we say. And with all of them great things that will happen, it just goes to show you say the work has to go on. You see me?
Yeah. Glory to the Most High, give thanks to life. It's Ferras, aka Curious King. Live and living colors, you know what I mean? The fight is real, the struggle is real, you know what I mean? But we've been putting some work trying to highlight our talent and incorporate in different people as we go along, you know what I mean? But the fight come now. On a day we are planning to put up a new show on Richard Brown Films, you know what I mean? We have part 2 for Valley of Decision, you know what I mean? So now we are shoot, and then all of a sudden somebody on the YouTube channel and can do something to mess up Richard Brown Films channel, you know what I mean? So now we can't find it, you know what I mean? So we make a new one now. We can go over, go check check out and you get the same content them and some different little things, you know what I mean? So just jump over to the Richard Brown Film same way. But the first one I've already subscribed to, that one maybe not, that one doesn't exist for now, you know what I mean? So you can subscribe to this new one, you know what I mean? Because the fight is on, you know what I mean? And who have time still can go over to Twitter still and tweet to YouTube same way, you know what I mean? Ask them what go on for the channel still, because we don't know what go on and we can't get enough information yet. But for now, we can't delay upon that because we know that people don't want things to watch, you know what I mean? So we are do what we need to do. And if you can't do it, can't do it, can't do the same speed. Burn it down to the ground. We don't have to say much, you know, because it's not such a wonderful night. We can't really say much about joy because it just shows when a black man try, you know, it take a lot, you know what I mean, to really make it. It not go easy. It not easy like 1, 2, 3, you know what I mean, or ABC. From long time, it's set that way, yeah. But give thanks to the viewers because you make the thing work and we try to put in the work to ensure you are entertained. So let's do the right thing, you know what I mean? Stay tuned and subscribe, please. You know what I mean? Let's push it forward. It's a new channel, back again. It's the same channel we love, you know what I mean? So let's go over there, man, and do the thing, right thing, man. And we can push it forward because some people are fight, but let's show them what unity can do, you know what I mean? And what true fans can do to keep the fire blazing. Burn it down to the ground. Big up on yourself out of world. Burn it down.